Alrighty. Let's see. Do the normal check. Make sure I'm all good. Not yesterday. Whoa. 866? Seems like a lot. Can I hear myself? Oh, wait. Gonna get a nice echo, aren't we? No desktop audio. Uh, oh, wait. There we go. One of these days, I'm gonna learn how to use this stream deck that I invested in a long time ago. There we go. Where was that? Where did I just see that? Oh, wait. Travis. Taylor and Travis. Heartfelt engagement. It's about time. It's about time. All right. A developer blog. Yeah. Nice. Did that. And I'm live on Twitch. Can you hear that? That's good. And then forgot to check mine. So Tom Billy was live, so that's cool. Got some audio. Good to go. Okay. So let's see. Should probably I've got a Discord now. Probably should update it so that it actually posts that I'm doing stuff. Let the people know. Let the people know we're live. Did I turn the comments on? All right. Comments are good. And yeah, we're good. Yeah, I may do a live build today. I haven't done a YouTube video yet, like an actual YouTube video, not just a stream. So I might do that. I was gonna get to a Nana Banana video yesterday, but I didn't. I created a short, so I got that, but I got sidetracked. Doing some client calls, doing some one-on-ones. Had a lot of meetings yesterday, surprisingly. After what else did I do? Ran to the gym, then worked on Android for a while. So did some app dev. But yeah. Guess we'll start with the brand stats. See where we're at. It's crazy. So this was, oh yeah, that's YouTube. Yeah, I started it in September 28th, 2023. Man, to think. If I'd consistency, huh? If I'd have stuck with it 2 years ago, I would be probably in a whole different place than I am now. Probably wouldn't be too much for. I mean, I don't know. 2 years of consistency would be huge, but yeah. All right. Where are we at? 8:27. That's today. 8:27. Not looking forward to this weekend. It's going to totally wreck this rhythm. Brand stats. What are we looking at? School members. I think we went up a member. Yeah, 142. Got a new joiner. So that's good. And then this should. I mean, I guess I can do the diff here too. So equals that minus that. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Cool. Change. And then, or whatever. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was doing like a running average here, but you know, whatever. The activity is a little bit more complicated. GPT went a little bit overboard for my activity spreadsheet. All right, so for the 26th, I think I had 50. Wait, did that get ahead? Yeah, today's 27. Okay, cool. I think I had 50 activities. Bringing that average up, you know. 26, 57 activities. There we go. It's a little bit of a combination of just farming. Uneducated player, what's up, man? How's it going? StreamYard needs to fix this overlay. It looks bad. All right, 57. I guess I did post one tick. I took your advice. Well, I haven't taken your advice fully, but I posted one TikTok yesterday. I got to one TikTok, so we're getting there. I gotta gotta slowly get the rest of my shorts game going here. That one I keep putting off. Need to fix my system, but we will get there for sure. All right, and then 27. So I was just looking at this. I think my YouTube channel's up 6 more subscribers. Yeah, crazy. I still. Oh man. Okay, I got. We're doing that today. We're replying to everything. That's great. Share TikTok links. I can follow you there. Sure. Yeah, man. Yeah, might as well. Where's my TikTok? I have like nothing on there yet. I made one short or one TikTok, so got some work to do. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think I didn't follow the. There you go. Thanks, man. I didn't follow the probably the standard TikTok format. Like nobody's really doing what I did. I think TikTok needs more organic, but it also is like I have a brand new account. I mentioned AI, so I don't know. Probably doesn't like what I'm talking about, but we got some work to do there. Yeah. So then, 866 subscribers on YouTube. So that's a plus 6. So I don't know what happened there, but pretty cool. Oh, really? Can't get you can get much followers by following people. Just do that. You achieved 1.4 thousand followers in one post by just following people. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, there probably is like an element of engagement there where it wants you to keep track or wants you to interact with their other accounts. So nice, man. Okay, might have to do that. Yeah, I hadn't gotten to that yet. I was gonna like try to at least try to follow some accounts and stuff, start being a little more active. So it probably just doesn't know what to do with me. I probably look a little weird. All right. Hopefully that audio didn't come through. Yeah, that's good, man. Thank you. Yeah, it's not bad. I don't think it's like TikTok format. I think it's probably part of the issue. It needs to be, I think, more people seem to do. Oh, that's true. Yeah, I didn't do like the For You page and stuff. Maybe we can fix that. Can I edit? I can edit that, right? Or no? Ah, man. Stupid TikTok. But yeah, probably need a few more videos on there and then be good to go. And I kind of like threw it together real quick before I had a meeting, so I was like very quickly trying to figure out what to do with it because it's been a minute. I used to post on TikTok on another account for a while, and yeah, I got out of the habit. But yeah, the TikTok was rusty. All right, that's pretty much it for the brand stats, I guess, right? Reaching audience on TikTok is more easy. Yeah. I know TikTok is I don't know. It's probably changed, but I know it used to be all about like it would start with sending it out to like a small circle, see what kind of engagement it gets, and then just send it out to like more and more and get further and further to bigger and bigger circles to see if it works. But yeah, I know that's their thing. At least they want you to get discovered. They want to have things blow up, so they're good about that. And then I'll probably set up something to repurpose something that'll go like from TikTok to Instagram and probably YouTube Shorts as well. So it's not important to do the same content. You can make memes about your project works. Like probably see hackers and cyber memes. And same. Oh, gotcha. Okay, so you can kind of just have a variety of content. You don't have to be like super consistent about it. Yeah, that would make sense. I mean, I'm sure. Yeah, they don't care. YouTube, but has kind of done the same thing where each video performs individually. So that's why I'm like debating doing a bunch of different videos on this channel. I don't know if YouTube if that'll be bad or not. It's more so, I guess, like then it's just back to like the person. If the person cares, like if they go to your channel and you're doing something that they don't care about, then they stop coming back to check. But that's good to know, man. Yeah, because you're doing some like social media growth, aren't you? You do helping people grow their channels and stuff. Doing some whopping. All right, and I was actually debating building a workflow for what's it called? Oh, actually, yeah, I was gonna answer some comments because I have not responded to YouTube stuff in a little bit, so I might actually do that. I mean, to get back to that. Super useful. Awesome, man. Of course, glad it was helpful. Helpful. And look at that. Thanks for hanging out. Please do keep up the good work. Yeah, man, this is your first video. Yeah, 5 days ago. I gotta gotta get better about that. If there was an encounter, surprised to see the scheduling of social media was earlier. Doesn't look less polished. Oh, nice. Just being able to see simple layouts in deliberate manner and speaking and doing things. It makes it quite simple. Haven't run into anything yet. Where would you say something? Where you do say something, then don't show yourself. I'll be automating videos and scheduling social media uploads. So expect to watch more videos. Don't remember you mentioning your own social. Oh, nice. Do try to work. I don't know. I guess what I like the live demo sort of presentation where see me doing the work and not a ton of edits if I can. Good point. I have not been plugging my socials. I may later, but I'd rather just focus on providing value first. Good to know. So good to know. Do plan on more social media uploading videos in the future. That's a comment. Cool. Appreciate that. And of course, Danilo. And I keep saying I'm not going to stream on Friday. Then it ends up happening. Yeah, this guy, man, 6 days ago, a couple questions. Notes use Google Sheets like other in-it-in YouTubers. Is it possible to do this without Sheets? I assume Sheets used to help AI understand which video should be selected for uploading. However, if we use a JavaScript function node to choose the video name, how can we make video link public for uploading to YouTube? I tried that. AI suggested the video should be public. Do you have any advice on this, or can you make a video explaining it? It'd be great if you could also show how to handle the same issue for Instagram posting. I do need to do Instagram because it seems to be a similar problem with IDs there. This issue affects not me, affects many people, not just me. Thanks in advance. Explanations are always helpful. Awesome, man. All right. Danilo, hey, good morning, man. I was just replying to you 4 days late on YouTube. So thanks, man. Thanks for leaving the comment. How's it going today? Okay. Notice, yeah. How do I answer this? He wants to say, notice that you use Google Sheets like other YouTubers. It's possible to do this without Sheets. It is possible to do this without, let's see, yeah. Is possible to not use Sheets. Just need a way to, let's see, yeah. Assume Sheets are used to help the AI understand which video should be selected for uploading. Yeah. All right, you need some way to determine which video should be uploaded. How can I make the video link public for uploading to YouTube? And this is, yeah, automatically scheduling YouTube uploads. Yeah, that's right, because I guess this is using the YouTube node, so it does it directly. Although, yeah. Yeah, so yeah, you just basically need a way to upload the video. Tried that. The AI suggested that the video should be public. It's on this. You could run a local innate if you want to operate it from your own machine. Then the video can be pulled from a folder automatically instead. Otherwise, yes, the video file has to be public somewhere for innate to be able to access it, like in Google Drive. Be able to access it and download the video so that, oh yeah, never mind. So that innate can download the video and upload it to YouTube. You can definitely do a video to explain the download and an upload process more thoroughly. And I do need to get to Instagram uploads. Myself. So yeah. Wait, and yeah, wait, and I need to get to Instagram uploads as well. Have a video for that in the future. Thanks for the comment. Boom. Done. We're catching up slowly but surely. All right. Trying to develop an agent using HeyGen video avatar. Oh man, are you? Nice. Yeah, that's one I haven't done yet, but it keeps coming back. So definitely let me know. Are you using a like a general one, like a general HeyGen avatar? Are you turning yourself into an AI avatar? Bolson, what's up? What's up, man? Oh no, you'll never guess. You're deep in org setup, doing data cloud, Einstein related list, page editor, the whole nine, just like the good old days. What happened? Why are you deep in the org stuff? What's going on, man? Nice, client just requested it. Well, there you go. All right, cool. Are you doing like finance presentation kind of stuff? Need a presenter for that? That's exciting though, man. That's good. I didn't realize that company training 7 hours worth of trails to do by end of week. Nice. Do you have like a mandatory certification or something? Do you have to get a certain trailhead badge? The cloud gods have spoken. All right, and then so in theory, this could be used to capture analytics on high-performing channels in a similar track. Then you could create a new flow with an LLM that's prompted to find insights and give you ideas how they're performing. Definitely. You had a list of channels that you wanted to keep an eye on. You could use this to see what to pull their stats, keep track of video performance. All right, we're caught up on YouTube comments. Been meaning to do that for a while, so that's good. That is good. Social media is a lot of work, man. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff to keep up on. Man, yeah, thanks for the engagement on automating PDFs. That was the other day. So 2 comments. Wait. Oh, is it including my responses as a response? The system kind of sucks. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I might not have replied to this guy. Whoops. Crap. Videos from my computer to various social medias, basically a station news media. Every day I upload up about 40 videos with SEO. A total of about 200 gigabytes, so worth. Damn, wow. Work takes them 8 to 9 hours a day. So I want to automate it. This is possible. Need something that can upload it. Oh, you just duplicated a comment. Ah, man, yeah. It doesn't. I wish this like told me replies. It just like blanket ignores responses, which is kind of annoying. Did some scripted chunks videos and sent them. I put restriction in. Oh man, we got lots of comments to reply to that I totally missed. YouTube being ridiculous. All right. Looks like we got some responses. Company training. Yeah, we got that. Yep, it will be an AI agent that talks and answers employees' questions. Oh man, fancy. Going the full AI avatar route. That's cool. Yeah, I mean with the right model, it probably could be pretty quick now. That's cool, man. That's exciting. Ah, there you go. You have to be an AI champion. No cert, but yep, got to get the badge. I was wondering. I think I'd seen those popping up on LinkedIn. People were getting their AI champion trailhead certifications or whatever. They're not certifications, they're like the certificates rather. I think. Well, that's fun, man. So you're midway through the week, so you got a couple more days to do it. What a pain, though. What a pain. All right. Okay. What was this? So doing some script that chunks video and sent them. I put restrictions on max number of chunks, and RAM because FFmpeg is much faster than Whisper. If the video is too long, I want to avoid destroying the server. Yeah, but often when I upload longer video, for example, 15 minutes, my internet is not doing well. There's green success, but I can't see the workflow in the editor. There is no green checks, like always. I don't see output on latest node. Oh man, I think this guy was running locally. Yeah, possible locally transcribed video file with Whisper without downloading it. And then this guy, I think this guy was doing like min.io. Yeah, he's doing like cloud stuff. Did some script that chunks video and sent them. Put restriction on max chunk length and max number of chunks in the RAM. Because FFmpeg is much faster. Yeah, the video's too long. Avoid destroying server. But when I upload longer video, 15 minutes, my internet is not doing well. Yeah, I mean, let's see. So if you're running this in the cloud with min.io, it could be the container, or it could be the I don't know what you call that. The yeah, I guess the container itself, the computer, the resource allocation may be too low if they're usually those machines only have, what do they have? They normally have like 512 megabytes of RAM. and a 1 gig processor. So it could be a little too much for the virtual machine in the cloud to handle if it's running NADN and FFmpeg. Cool. All right. Replied to comments I've been missing. A folder which is straight directly located in the C drive. It's path C inadn local. Create this inadn local as a new file using the inadn start command inside the folder, and I start inadn. I even added inside the bounds. What must be done further? All right. Yeah, because he was having trouble with his local trigger nodes, but inside the read files node, there's no binary data getting displayed. Yeah, that was weird. So I have a folder which is straight directly located in the C drive. Its path is, okay, C inadn local, created this inadn local as a new file. And I'm using the inadn start command inside this folder. Yep, that's right. And then I start inadn, even added the binary file system inside the binary variables. What must be done further? Let's see, Mac transcripts within. So he's trying to get file trigger nodes, but inside the read files node, there is no binary trigger. It's been a minute since I've looked at that one. I'm trying to think what the workflow looks like. Automatic transcripts with Whisper, Docker. Yeah, because I think I had like a pass-through folder to be able to get to that. Yeah, at the top of my head, I'm not sure. Not sure why that would why he's not getting a binary. Sounds like the correct setup. Did you double check that your file path for the video is correct? It might not be finding that video inside the inadn local folder correctly. All right, we're a week late. Hopefully it's still helpful. I need something that can upload videos from my computer to various social media. Sure. Man, yeah, that's a lot. Self-hosting would definitely be a good start. It will probably take some work to get all of the various social media platforms connecting. I would recommend a service like Potato to be able to connect all of your social media accounts in one place, but that is a paid service. And with that amount, you may run out of tokens or whatever. They run out of quota pretty quickly. Yeah, otherwise, you could set up connections to each platform directly. That's a lot of content. 200 gigabytes every day. Yeah. I'm trying to think. Is there... I think there are some local hosted social media uploading systems as well, but they also take some setup before you can connect them to N8N. Want to get a video on this process up in the future. Cool. Any other comments? I think that was the major ones. I think I missed too many other replies. Yeah. All right. And I think there's a lot more comments than that, but I mean, that's probably the most recent stuff, right? Oh, wow. Yeah, wait. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. It's like it does the reply and then me replying to it. So, okay. Man, yeah, this was a good system too. I need to look this up. Got to come back and farm these comments a little bit more. Lots of stuff to engage with. Cool. All right, YouTube caught up. Success. All right. We've got a couple workflows that actually would be cool to build out of that. The social media one for sure. I mean, I think I've seen a few floating around. Self-host, social media, checked. Exactly. Done. Actually, Danilo, do you know any open source social media manager? Like basically like Buffer or Lotata is the one that's blowing up right now. Something that you can it'll help you, I guess, manage all your authentication with all your social media platforms. Source Buffer. Yeah, there we go. Open source Buffer alternative. Post-its. Post-is. Ultimate social media scheduling tool. Yeah, exactly. That's what we're looking for. Mixpost. I feel like I've seen that. Mixpost. Oh wait, we can just use your link. What does what's it called? Proxmox? You're now champion. Congrats, man. Congrats. Couple days of work, not bad. Right on. That's awesome. Well, glad you're able to get through it pretty quickly. And I think... Oh, really? Okay. So you've used Postiz before? Installed in one of your VSPs. Okay. Or VPSs. Nice. Whoops. Should have known. Nice. Okay. Well, that could be really useful. Some more proprietary alternatives. Yeah. These are like actually usable, but cool. Let's check out Postiz. Haven't used it yet. Okay, cool. That could be really useful. So let's see. Pricing. What do we got? Wait. Okay. Developer docs. I'm guessing I feel like this stuff is tough because like you still kind of need a way to. So you have to like go through the entire process of connecting all of your. Oh, nice. They got a custom node. That's nice. All the hosting and everything. Yeah. So developer docs. Generate posts with AI, exchange or buy posts from other members on the marketplace. Oh, wow. Interesting. Installation. Yeah, we're going Docker, right? quick start. Docker Compose, development. Development for developers. Docker standalone run. Helm. There we go. Do some Kubernetes. Try it for free. Okay. Nice. Okay. But that's what I was wondering is like if they still have to have you do some stuff because like normally it's like I forget. I think I was looking through the other one, mix post, and theirs was also there was a lot involved to get it set up. It's like this is gonna be a big tutorial. Resources, docs. Yeah, exactly. You have to go to every single platform. So, which I mean, it makes sense. Like, if they're hosting the clients, like then they can just use their own clients, and then you just authenticate through their system. But like if you're the one that's going to host the system, then like you have to go and create all the clients to connect. So that's what it's like trying to kind of get around, but I don't think there's a way to get around it. So it's gonna take some work. Yeah, your browser versus proxy. Yeah, exactly. That's like you're gonna need proxies and stuff to be able to get all of it to work. Nice. Yeah, exactly. When I started looking through all the stuff for mixed post, it's like, man, this is pretty involved. It's not as straightforward as I was hoping. Self-hosting. Oh yeah, okay. I thought, yeah, because I was just gonna run it like locally. Yeah, it turned into like, oh man, like there's a lot of stuff you have to do here. So anyway, um, did you say you got through this one Postas? You just said you had it set up. You haven't really tried Postas either? URL front end, next public backend, jot secret, database. Yeah. Okay, set all that up, and then controller containers, Docker standalone. I mean, I guess once you get the app up and running, then it probably helps you just walk through the process of, providers configuration. Yep, just installed it in my VPS since you don't don't post much anywhere. Fair enough. Yeah, I'm still pretty bad about it. I'm going live on YouTube, I guess, but that's about it. So I need to get better about that myself. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Add Blue Sky service identifier password. So you do not need to configure any variables for that. That's good. Discord. Yeah. Okay. That's what I thought. It's like you're still gonna have to go through and create all of your applications. Like there's no way around it. This was mostly it. Like I've only partially gone through the Facebook one, but it's kind of a pain. I got stuck because they wouldn't let me verify my phone number, which I feel like is like a common thing. I feel like I run into this on Facebook all the time. Yeah, you have to get like Facebook login for business and then get your phone number verified so you can actually use WhatsApp and all that. So I feel like I wasted like 2 hours trying to get WhatsApp connected. Yeah, count ineligibility for submission. So okay, yeah, I just have to like walk through this entire process. But once you got it all set up, it's nice. Yeah, I pay for a platform for what Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, which is very simple to log in. Yeah, like that's I was kind of leaning towards that. Well, that's where I was like Blotato would probably be nice because like she's already got that set up. So I'll just use somebody that's already got this thing working. Wait, did she switch to Blotato.com? Is this hers? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Um, I just want to see the platforms. Oh, there we go. Yeah, remix one TikTok to Instagram post, tweet, 2 articles, 2 PDFs, viral YouTube script, YouTube videos, 1,500 word blog post. Yeah, nice. Used to automate you. Yeah, is it? What's the one? The one I keep hearing. ManyChat. Is it ManyChat? Chat marketing made easy. $0, 1,000 contacts, free of charge. Yeah, Instagram. Use a cheaper one? Nice. What you got? Which one? Which one do you use? $15 a month is not terrible, but it scales with the number of contacts. All right, there we go. I'm sure that seems too straightforward. It's never that easy. 10 USD per connection. Okay, okay. Price per contacts. Okay, so it just goes down as you get more. Nice. Which do you want to? Can you not give away the secret platform that you use? That's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Mini chat alternative. I thought we like fixed this, but maybe not. I don't know. I guess you can still run sponsored. Never mind. They fixed the SEO where you like SEO for top responses. Link DM. This looks cheap. Clear choice over ManyChat. High level HubSpot marketing. TDO, Klaviyo. Really? Klaviyo can do that? Chat Fuel? Or is it just kind of lumping it into everything else? Sure. TDO, free plan. Fresh sales. Intercom. Olark, live chat, gorgeous. So many options. HubSpot CMS. Free customer relation management platform with a live chat tool and a chat bot included. Nice. And then yeah, then like huge platforms. Live chat maybe? I don't know. It's one of those things. Yeah, I know it's pretty well in demand, having chat bots that can connect through, or DM automation really. Notifica me. Nice. Brazilian. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Nice. Yeah, there we go. Connect, automate, scale your communication. They are meta licensed. Ah, nice. Oh wow. Okay. They're legit. Stay up to date. Channels we're integrated. Wow. Coming soon. Nice. Awesome. $119 a month. WhatsApp, Messenger. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. Nice. Cool, man. Yeah, mostly like the WhatsApp and stuff would be super useful. WhatsApp and Instagram. Good to know. Lots of options out there. Oh man, Molson, are you back to Kubernetes land then? I thought you made it sound like you were going to be doing this stuff for a while. 7 hours worth of trails. I guess you just said you've already done it, so you're already good. Well, Molson, congrats on becoming a champion. Nice. Okay, you found it's the cheapest and reliable one that I found. Right on, man. Got it done in like 3 hours. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Yeah, that sounds about right. Good, man. Good for you. That's awesome. Go back to managing the enterprise. No big deal. Combines 8 apps to streamline content creation. Yeah, that's most of what I'm looking for. Unlock infinite opportunity with your brand. Super cool. Super cool. Oh, what was I gonna? Oh yeah, we were talking about you were talking about VPSs. There's Levels was talking about TikTok, but as a podcast. I feel like I was just on here. Levels was like posting a bunch of stuff recently. Wait, what's going on? Camille and Johnny's going to be at Dreamforce. Nice, nice. All right, fine. To actually, he was talking about. I feel like you guys would appreciate this. I kind of want to try it. Like bra dogging. um, yeah, raw dog on the server. So he pays Hertzner Online or DigitalOcean $5 to have a VPS, and he just SSHs into it, and then installs Claude Code or Cursor CLI, and then just lets it run in its own machine. It kind of keeps it you know its own machine, so you don't have to worry about it running anywhere else. I mean, for $5, like get a really uh low cost VPS. Like that's I don't know. It's like man, this is kind of great. That's like really smart. Yeah, raw dogged another project. This is pretty sweet. So may have to try that out. Did we watch the Starship 10 launch and mission yesterday? Made some history. No, I didn't. I saw some highlights a little bit, but no, I totally missed it. What what's the update? Was it Starship launched successfully? Successfully up and down? This is crazy, man. Levels.vc and it just goes to a spreadsheet. Amazing. That's crazy. It's around unrealized. Oh, this is like stock stuff. Okay. Wow. You invested in all these? Nuts. That is nuts. That's awesome. Good stuff. Yeah, nice. Uh Yo, been a while. It's just raw dogging everyone's talking about with Claude Code. I might do that with a lot of stuff. Full mission and not just a test. Oh, really? Okay. Nice. No, I did not see that. Right, I like briefly saw stuff was happening. Explore. 10th flight with reusable Triumph. 10th flight with Starbase in South Texas. Mission featured a flawless hot staging separation deployment of 8 Starlink satellite simulators and a controlled splashdown of Ship 37 in the Indian Ocean. Coming past failures. Nice. That's crazy, actually. It's super cool. No, nice. No chopsticks? Whoa. Yeah, it's crazy. Should have been watching. I was busy yesterday. Missed out. Super cool. Like the just like plop. Ah, okay, nice. Man, that's crazy. That's really cool. We're getting there. Leaving this planet soon, you know. Off to the off to Mars, I guess. Off to the next one. I have to go back and catch up on all of it. That's cool, man. Did not see that. Just saw the updates this morning, I guess. Saw people were posting about it. Back to raw dog and some VPS, right? Debating that as my having that approach on for some app development. That's what I was going to get to. I finally have Android releases in this. That's what I was going to talk about. Yeah, I worked on the app for a little while yesterday. Android's looking good. So I don't have the app on here actually. I'm not on my laptop, so I can't show the app. But got it working on my phone. Got it installed, and got everything set up for the Android store. So it may actually have an Android app ready to go. I submitted this. I submitted it. I'm not sure what I submitted. I submitted something last night. I thought it was for them to review, which I think it was. I think it's for like the initial release. Android's a little weird because like every time you have to like create a release, and you create a release for the alpha. So like I did a release for testing, and then I created a release to like an internal test. And then I had to create another release for the one that would actually get published to the Android store, or the Google Play Store. So 2 of those I ended up submitting to Google to review. So hopefully they go through. They said it could take up to 7 days. I mean, Apple gets through it in like a day normally. So hopefully Android doesn't take 7 days to review it, but we'll see. But yeah, I did a quick review, filled out all the info for the app, so I think it's looking pretty good. But that'd be a huge milestone. And oh man, that might be more content for the channel, I guess, because I haven't really done much app stuff I've been meaning to. Just haven't really gotten around to it. So that'll be next on the list. Do some inside dev founder streaming stuff, which I know is kind of what what started the stream. I've named this the founder stream in StreamYard, so got some work to do there. Becoming full-time founder, and then yeah, then operating apps like this guy, like Levels, doing some stuff. Oh, weird. The chat is like really behind. It was way up there. StreamYard struggling a little bit, but yeah, I guess I don't have much of a visual for the Android, unfortunately. We're just chilling here looking at levels.io. But where'd that go? Starship. Yeah. That might actually kind of do it for today. I do have a meeting later for to go over the app, and then just trying to decide if I want to get a quick workout in before that. So may end up cutting it short again today. I was going to do a workflow, but we ended up chatting about some other stuff in the meantime. So got some good content out of it. So it's a good stream. A little quiet on what is today? Wednesday morning. Yeah. Oh man, time flies. Yeah, I may switch over. I was gonna get a YouTube video done today too, so I got some stuff to do. So I may hop off and do that. I'm not quite to the Theo level of doing like a live YouTube video recording on stream, but probably get to that point eventually. I like that approach. Making these streams is super efficient. But Danilo, thanks, man. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Good luck with the HeyGen avatar. That should be fun. That should be a good project. Definitely looking forward to some updates on how that's going. And thanks, man. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, hopefully we'll probably get a video up hopefully soon. By the end of the week for sure. I definitely have to get one up. But thanks, man. Molson, congrats on your champion status. I'm glad you've mastered AI, and good luck going back to the regular grind. Hopefully hopefully we've got some other fun stuff. Ah, nice, very nice. Yeah, good luck, man. Hopefully that goes smoothly. But all right. I think I might call it today on a quick one. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I appreciate it. I'll be back on tomorrow morning, probably about the same time. So we'll see you then. Thanks. See you, Molson. Thanks, Danilo.